Anong category nga to? Singing. Ano yun? English? Okay. Singer.
Sabi mo ilang words.
Concert. Aray kong ngipin ko. Concert. Going to the concert?
Taas mo, hindi siya kita.
Walking, man. Walking? Ano yan? Me! Oh. Pala! Ano yan? Walking. Stop! Ano? Pas na? Okay. Oh. Tinatawa, ba't di ko mahulaan? Pas na. Ay. Okay daw kuya Jay. Game.
Ayan.
Me. Sandwich. Bird. Sandwich. Sauce.
Okay, ang galing.
3 words. First word, driving. Third word, driving in the city. Driving square. Driving overpass. Go! Driving. Speed driving. Driving overboard.
Dalawang letter. English, siyempre.
Dalawang letter.
Mahirap naman ang dalawang letter.
UV na yan yung UV.
X-ray.
Box?
May box ka nila. Yes.
Open yan, open.
Ano yan? Cooking? Nasa cooking? Hindi. Ano yan? Square?
25 seconds.
Calculator? Tawag dito? Printing? Printing machine. Printing machine? Press? Printing copier?
One word. Sleepwalker. Chill. Cold. Freezing. Slippery. Ballet. Ballerina. Snowman. Ice skating.
Galing namin. Sabi sa'yo eh.
2 words. English. Second word. Jump ball. 1 first word.
Paano ba yun? Hindi ko headaches eh.
One word.
Ang hirap yan.
Sabi mo next.
Pas mo na. Ayan, ito, marinig ito.
One word. Meron na ba? 3 words. Third word. Bite.
Yeah.
Tinga. Magnifying glass. Bunot. Okay. Ano yung halo? Star. Dentist. Okay. Running to a dentist. Running to the dentist. Running to dentist. Walk to the dentist. Go to the dentist. Go to dentist. Go to dentist.
Ayun.
Ayun.
Hitchhiking.
Dapat hindi na ulit yun.
Next.
Naka 6 points na sila, oh.
Naku, mahirap. Next pa. Ay, four na lang. Alam, hirap.
Ay!
2 words. Cheat.
Practice yung up.
Wow!
Oh, ano, pass na. Pass na.
Ka na lang.
Pass na.
na lang siya.
Ano? 7 words.
7 words.
Oh, pass na. Okay. Two thumbs up.
Basta daw pass. One more.
Ayun.
Okay namin.
Ayun.
Pass na siya. Pass.
Hindi pa alam na yung Kuya Dexter.
Doon na lang.
Pass kayo ng pass.
One more.
Kayo ang pass.
Ayaw.
Yan na.
Ayan.
Ayan. Isa.
Ano yan?
Wala kayo Kuya Jay.
Yung panda? Ano yun? Four words? Okay, sige.
Kasi bakit meron mo pang third word eh.
Second word yan? Ano ba?
Oh,
Sige. Second word, sige.
Oh.
Ano yan?
Ano? Hindi ko alam pala yan.
Baby, hit me one more time.
Pass down.
To become one.
Ayan! 2 words!
2 word. Second word. Bite. Another one bites the dust.
2 words yan eh.
Pizza. Pizza pie. American pie.
Next!
Ay.
Ano? Wala nangyari.
Next.
Paano ba yun?
Next. Hindi ko rin alam eh.
Ang dami.
Ihang mo na ate.
4. I will always love you.
Tayo ka.
Ano category nga to?